How to moisturize your skin naturally in this winter. Moisturizer is probably the utterly important step that everyone needs to take good care of their skin. It is the final step in the skincare routine every day and the very first step in the makeup process. Making sure that you can apply enough moisturizer all over your face as it can help you to have better skin condition. Many people prefer natural moisturizer from your kitchen because it cannot cause you any side effect. You should read really carefully to find the best method that can suit you the most. 1. Aloe Vera. If you are a fan of skincare, this should definitely one of the Holy Grail. Many people have made it their unchangeable moisturizer for day and night. Once you apply it for a while, you should eventually feel the difference in the first few weeks. You should use fresh aloe vera gel several times per day and keep it in the fridge so that your skin can feel the coolness and you can grab many more benefits from aloe vera. In addition, the application of this gel will bring a lot of other health benefits, including treatment for blemishes. 2. Vitamin E oil. Another moisturizer from any grocery you should not miss is vitamin E oil. You can either make it as daily moisturizer and night moisturizer. However, with vitamin E, it is better that you to apply for the night. You will definitely feel the smooth finish and glowing skin the very next day of waking up. 3. Honey. If you cannot find those two, honey should on the top of the list of moisturizer for you to consider. It is antibacterial, smells very good, and the best thing is that it has cleansing quality. For those who have to deal with aging signs, such as wrinkles, this should really on the list of great choice at very affordable price and combo of benefits. Basically, with all the description, you can use it as a moisturizer and a method to make your skin glow as well. You should mix it with water first and then, get it applied on your skin. Remember to use warm water to rinse your skin after that. 4. Olive oil. This ingredient has been famous for being a lifesaver for those who constantly have to put up with their dry skin. You will find the difference in just 1 week and eventually become confident again. Containing many antioxidants, olive oil protects your skin from harmful sun rays which might cause serious skin cancer. 5. Coconut oil. For ages, coconut oil has served as a natural moisturizer for dry skin, when industrial products were not born yet. Providing lauric acid which stimulates the production of collagen, coconut oil penetrates into our skin easily. Furthermore, it has strongly antimicrobial and antibacterial qualities. Thus, you can stay away from a variety of skin infections. You should resort to raw coconut oil to get the best results. 6. Avocado. Like any other ingredient in this list, avocado is very familiar to each of us. Its benefits on our skin have been discovered for long, thanks to its richness of vitamins. They, along with fats, have great influence on the process of moisturizing our skin and fighting against aging as well. You need to consume avocado or use it as a mask regularly to get its benefits from both inside and outside. 7. Shea butter. Considered as an excellent source of vitamins, shea butter is a powerful moisturizer for dry skin. Another advantage you can get from it is to look young for a longer time. There is no side effect behind the use of shea butter, but remember to check its expired date to prevent bad scenario.